the rain and take off.
This is the park where you used to live, Rob, where you used to play. Hi! The last time we rent this, babe, it's 15.
Oh, before I'm leaving.
Yeah.
Before I'm leaving here and she's leaving there on the port.
No, 16.
Really?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Yeah. This is.
I'm leaving here before and she's leaving there.
And this is where we live.
No.
This is where we live
when
before.
She left, there is one more. Si Jan. Di ba dito lumipat? After Jan left, I'm the one who stayed here until.
Ayan, oh. This is where I do my garden.
I'm doing now my garden.
Ayan. Papakita ko sa anak ko.
She did do her garden. She likes her.
Alin, oo nga, ganun pa rin eh.
It's the same.
Hindi na mabidyo ako ng video, di ko naman pala napindot. Pagkatanga ko. Pinapakita ko sa anak ko.
Black one.
If you see my ano. Ito anak ko. Ito yung tinitira natin dati, anak ko. Yan. Si Ate Ami mo, oh.
Alvin!
Yan, ito na. Okay.
Hindi yung anak niya, Jim.
Andito rin. Si Happy.
Umuwi sila before.
Okay, after we visit my friend, so
in 300 meters, turn right onto Magsaysay Bridge.
We are here at Longapo. That's it, SBMA over there.
Take this other bridge over here, remember?
Pure gold. Up, up, up.
Take the next right onto Magsaysay Bridge. In 200 meters, turn left onto Rizal Highway.
It avoids everything in front of the wall over there.
Slow down.
Turn left onto Rizal Highway.
Morning. And he said, what? Left?
Yeah, I know where I'm at now.
That is where the cinema before. That Wow World Complex. Yeah. That is where the cinema
Continue
before.
on Rizal Highway for 2 kilometers.
Now it's not the same anymore.
It's not.
Okay, we stopped by here at the restroom, anak. Yan, bumili kami ng santol at saging na saba. Labong yan, ano?
Opo, yan.
Ay, labong. Ayan, o.
Avocado po.
Yan. Okay, dito na kami sa Carilagan. Pinapayungan tayo ni Kuya. Carilagan. Oh, wow. Ito. Wow.
There's an oasis in here.
Yeah, I told you. Salamat. Hello. Wow.
No reservation.
Ah, dito. Walk-ins kami. Wala kaming reservation.
Po yung order niyo, ma'am.
I see. Ah, mag-order kami ng food agad.
Tapos magpo-proceed na po tayo sa dining area.
Ah, hindi muna pwedeng ikot-ikot. Okay.
Order po muna kayo para po ma-prepare po yung food.
Ay, ganon. Sige. Ang ganda-ganda naman dito. Ito. Tingnan natin yan. Wow. Look at this mango. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this baby.
Yeah, there you go. Some mangoes. There's the store.
Do you want here?
Yeah, this is where they set us.
Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna go with back to stadium.
Dito kami uupo. Ah, sige. May titingnan lang kami, ah. How much is that?
Gram.
1,165.
And each gram is the same as 1 cup of sugar.
Yeah, 1 gram.
If that would go in 1 cup. No, okay. 1 cup. Measuring cup.
Ma'am, tala rito.
Measuring cup.
Come here, ma'am.
Kahit hindi kita naririnig.
These
Okay, we have sisig. We have the stevia parm salad. This is the calamari. This is the sinampalukang manok. And that is crispy pata. And what is the other one?
potato soup.
And we have the potato soup. Tikman natin ang kanilang sinampalukan. What is that? Ah, okay. This is the sinampalukan and this is what they call duro rice. Duro rice ba yan? Ah. Anong tawag dito? This one? Ano to? Dugo na may bigas. Okay. Ito pala is ano, sinampalukan tapos may kasama siyang rice tapos ito may dugo daw. Dugo ng manok, of course. Yan o. Yan. Tawag nila Betamax. Tikman natin. So far, my favorite is the potato salad, potato soup, and the sinampalukan. I like the sisig, but puro taba. Yan, dami langaw eh. Salamat ah. Ilagyan kami niyan para daw sa langaw. Okay, plastic to. Para sa aso. Laki naman pala ng gayan. Wala pa maliit niya. Sige, okay lang. Mga leftover.